Previously on Onboard Lifestyle. The girls rode mules to a waterfall. I get attacked by our drone. Sherpa leads us to a watering hole. The crew explores an abandoned resort. Basik leaves Yalapa. We sail around Cabo Corrientes to Chimela. I catch another fish. We leave Chimela and sail to Tenacatita. And I have fun times with my friends. Now that you are all caught up, let's pick up our story at anchor in the tranquil setting of Bahia Tenacatita.
In my mind, there is nothing left to do but stay behind. Will I find what is wrong about the way I treat my kind? Where's the love?
Surf's up.
Yep, going surfing.
I know it doesn't look like there's a lot of surf here, but what happens is the estuary, you can see everybody over here. Well, let me zoom in. There's a surf break right here, and everybody rides it every morning. It's high tide right now, and everybody just has a blast. So Lynn and Emma are gonna head over there and play a little before we get out of here. Okay, Compass wants to go with you.
Compass, you wanna come on? You wanna come on? Come here.
He doesn't know.
You wanna go surfing? Go get your life jacket.
Okay, have fun.
I will, thank you.
And there's dolphins all around the bay right now.
Our time in Tenacatita will be short-lived. Just enough time to relax a few days, get a little maintenance done on Basik, and make a quick run to the neighboring town of La Manzanilla for provisions. My mom went with 4 other cruisers who split the taxi fare for the short trip around the bay. I am excited because a few of my friends are meeting up in Barra de Navidad. So I have to finish my schoolwork and then get all my chores done before we leave.
Okay, the ladies are once again picking up my slack. I feel bad. My elbow's getting better, but it's not quite there. How's it going down there? They're scrubbing the hull. Every other week. Is it tough?
You need to get better.
I'm working on it.
This thing just raked across something and water just went right in my eyes.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'll get better soon. I'm working on it.
Can
So-
you find a bottom paint that doesn't have any particles that grow on it?
There is no such thing. They're not big, are they? How big
No,
are they?
It's not. It's just little.
I know. It's just normal maintenance. Every couple weeks we got to do this.
It's just little stuff. It comes off even with your hands. It's just, I know when we go into Barra, it's going to be really bad.
I know. Okay. Well, we're leaving in half an hour.
You know, the thing that kind of crossed my mind was, there's crocodiles here.
Not out here.
Out here, but they could.
There's
They're
two.
just like not that far. They're
Don't
like
worry.
right in
The dolphins will save you.
I'm tired.
Well, come on in, take a break, and let's get underway soon. Actually, maybe another hour. Wind hasn't quite picked up. If we wait till noon, I think we'll have a nice breeze to sail in.
Okay, we just scrubbed the bottom, and now we're gonna head over to Barra. It's about 3 hours. I can't even explain how excited I am. There are a bunch of my friends are there, and the French baker's there, and there's also a really good pool there, and it's gonna be a great time.
Okay, boat is clean, and now it's time to hoist the sails, pull up the anchor, and get on down to Barra.
About 3 hours.
It's gonna be about 3 hours.
So excited to see the French baker.
Yes, and yeah, we're looking forward to seeing the French baker for sure. I think that I've already allocated about 10 good pounds just for the French baker. So
You know what I'm excited
that's
for?
love. What?
I'm gonna put out the lure, and you guys are gonna reel it in for me.
Another one?
We need what? We're gonna be in Barra for a couple days. We need fish.
Yeah.
I'll catch you another fish.
And bonus, there's our friends there, so can't wait to hook up with them again.
The winds are light, but we still sailed off the anchor. We're just gonna mosey on to the next stop. No big rush today, so it's nice just to relax, have a nice peaceful sail. Okay, Tenacatita. I don't know when we're coming back, but this is one of our favorite stops. And what do we have here?
Garbage.
Garbage? I smell something else.
I'm making food.
Nice.
I'm cleaning up.
Okay. 5 knots. Wind's picking up out here a little. 5-2. I think this will be a fun day. Okay, just as expected, the wind's picking up right as we enter. Oh, you good? Your glasses blew off. Lynn's taking us in the channel here. It'll calm down as soon as we get in here. We're going across the bar right now. Nothing too scary. Bar is notorious for running aground. A boat runs aground every day here. Or pretty much every day, maybe 2 a day. We've been in here a few times, so we know the path. And Lynn's real comfortable with it, so she's taking the helm. Meanwhile, the sea state out here was just picking up. Look at this. Right as we enter. We're flying jib only at like 5-6 knots all the way in. but it was a comfortable sail. The channel leading to the marina is well marked and dredged, but once beyond the marina entrance, the unmarked natural channel to the lagoon anchorage can be confusing. If you've never been here before, my advice is to do your homework. Review all of your cruising guides, study the Google satellite images, read the navionics notes, and use any other means to prepare yourself for this tricky little entrance. Those who don't will quickly learn, and don't worry, you won't be alone. Yeah, he's churning back there.
He's churning.
Dive between these two here. It's kind of a tricky entrance. Now go straight between those two monoholes right there, next to that privilege, and we'll spin right in that area right over here and post up.
Excitement. A boat's gone aground.
Start it up. Let's go.
Okay. So Teal and Emma are gonna go out and assist and see if they can get him off. Okay, we're on 22, so just let me know. Looks like you guys helped out twice, picking up garbage and helping somebody off the sandbar, huh?
Yeah, they were 8-foot draft on that boat. It's a tough one for them. They were way off the course. So what we did is they had a lot of horsepower. They were able to get off the sandbar with their own horsepower, but they followed us in. And,
oh, good.
We were just checking depths for them on the way in.
Is that their first time?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. But nice couple, and they're going to post up right there and kind of get a grip of things. This is pretty shallow bay for a vessel with that much draft.
And it seems like they just happened to come as the wind's picking up. That doesn't help.
Never failed. Actually, that helped them out. It was
really?
blowing them over a little bit, so they had less draft.
Good job.
Okay, the ladies are going to go have a leisurely time at the pool.
We're ditching the captain.
It is blowing 25 out here.
I know. Gotta have fun.
Somebody's got to go down with the ship, I guess.
With a few of my friends in the marina, they invited me over for a little pool time. We swung by Wildhood to pick up Cedar and Eden so that there was still one dinghy left in case there was an emergency. The marina resort was so protected, we barely felt a breeze.
No, high five! I have high five! Yes. Come on! No!
The girls are away with our dinghy, and there's a crisis in the anchorage. There's a boat drifting. My hands are tied right now. Drives me nuts. But it sounds like the rest of the fleet is gonna step up and try to help this guy. He's in a pretty big boat. Wind's really picked up and he's dragging through the fleet.
Well, that's it for this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A big thanks goes out to our amazing patrons whose support helps drive the production of our videos. Join our crew if you can. It's bittersweet as we sail south knowing that the anchorages of Mexico will soon just be memories. Come back next week as we shift gears once again. See you then!